Hey there, today I'll show you how to set up Face ID on Lloyds Bank. In today's world, security and convenience go hand in hand. With Face ID, you can log into your Lloyds Bank securely and instantly. No need to type passwords and remember pins. Let's see it up in just a few easy steps. First, make sure your device is ready. And go to your device settings and check that your face is registered under Face ID and passcode. If you are using Touch ID, check under Touch ID and passcode. Now open the Lloyds Bank app and log in as usual. Tap the profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Next, select setting, then tap on Face ID or Touch ID and toggle the switch to turn it on. Follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. The next time you log in, just glance at your phone and you are in. Enjoy faster, more secure banking with Face ID. If you ever need to disable it, just return to the same settings and toggle it off. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to click a like